Okay, so now we know about the change of base formula. And this example says use a calculator with the change of base formula to find the log that they're going to ask for in part A and part B up to 4 decimals. So we're going to have to be rounding up to 4 decimals. Okay, so first we have part A, log base 3 of the number 7, and part B is log base 1.2 of the number 13.7. So part A, we can bust that apart as, well, we actually not bust it apart. We're actually going to use a change of base formula, which says we get to choose the new base, and I choose it to be base 10 because that is a base that my calculator understands, and it can consume, it can eat base 10 and base E logarithms and no others. So I'm going to rewrite this as log of my base 10 over the original number 7, of the original number 7 over log base my 10 over the original base 3. That is the change of base formula. And if you run that through a calculator, it is approximately equal to 1.7712437. And we're going to round that to 4 places after the decimal point. So you have to put the arrow 5 places out. You always have to go 1 space further. 5 places out, and look at that number. It's a 4. If it's either 1, 2, 3, 4, we round down. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up. This one is a 4. I should have said if it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we round down. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round up. It's a 4, so we're rounding down, and that means we just drop the 4, 3, 7 at the end, and our answer is approximately 1.7712. That is our answer, rounded to 4 decimal places. And of course, we had to use a calculator to get that result. If I was taking an exam and couldn't use a calculator, I would have to stop at that log base 3 of 7 is equal to log base 10 of 7 over log base 10 of 3. Okay, part B, log base 1.2 of the number 13.7. First, we'll use a change of base formula. And here I decided to use a natural logarithm. I could use either. I chose log base E because, again, that's another logarithm that my calculator knows how to eat. So he has an appetite for it. So it's log, the natural log base E of the original number part, 13.7, over my log base E of the original base, 1.2. Okay, that's the application of the change of base formula. Now I run it through my calculator, and I get 14.355931788, etc., etc. And because I have to round to 4 decimal places, I go out 5 decimal places and put an arrow under the 5th digit after the decimal point. It's a 3. So again, I'm going to round down, just remove the 31788 at the end, and just leave the 4 digits after the decimal point. So we have 14.3559, and we're finished.